Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad easily. Let's start by selecting 3 to 5 of your favorite fresh, ripe fruits. Think about a good mix of colors and textures. Remember to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool water. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a sharp knife for efficient preparation. This simple first step sets you up for a delicious and refreshing treat. Now, let's get to preparing your chosen fruits. For items like pineapple or apples, you'll want to peel and core them first. Then, carefully cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures a consistent texture. Don't forget to remove any seeds or pits from fruits like grapes or cherries for a smoother experience. The secret to a truly easy and delicious fruit salad often lies in a simple dressing. For this, you'll need the juice of 1 fresh lemon or lime. This brightens the flavors and helps prevent browning. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. Whisk these 2 ingredients together until they are well combined. This light dressing enhances the fruit without overpowering it. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully place all your prepared fruit into the large mixing bowl. Pour the simple dressing evenly over the fruit. Then, using a large spoon or spatula, gently toss everything until all the fruit pieces are lightly coated. For the best flavor and a refreshing chill, refrigerate your fruit salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your perfectly easy and delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.